Good evening, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. So today's Navajo Word of the Day is going to be hurricane. So to say hurricane in Navajo, you say Tónteeldé, Níyoltsoh. Tónteeldé, Níyoltsoh. So to use it in a sentence, you would say Tónteeldé, Níyoltsoh Sandy wolyéhígíí, kéyah New York nahós'a'jí yik'i. Tónteeldé Níyoltsoh Sandy wolyéhígíí, kéyah New York nahós'a'jí yik'i, which means that a hurricane named Sandy traveled through the New York area. And that's how you would use a word like that in a sentence. And I'm sorry to hear about all the people in the New York area, from Maryland to Boston and everywhere else on the eastern seaboard, that was affected by the hurricane. And even though we're way out here, our prayers go out to everybody who's affected in some way by the storm. But that's how you would say hurricane in the Navajo language. Have a good evening. That's it. Have a good evening.